Couple of years ago, I made a trip to Gomukh and I absolutely fell in love with its scenic beauty. A video will never give justice to what I experienced with my naked eyes. If you love nature, adventure, and still not trek to Gomukh, then you must. So here's a video of the journey and all the possible details you need to know before you start. Welcome to the channel. I hope everybody is doing absolutely great. Gomukh, the terminus of India's biggest glacier and the source of river Bhagirathi, which is the main headstream of the holy river Ganga. It is 13,200 feet above sea level, situated in Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand. If you are planning to visit there, first you must come to Gangotri, and from there you have to walk a distance of 18 kilometers. First of all, you need to have permit which can be generated through website, links given down in the description. Otherwise, you must visit any of the forest department in Dehradun, Uttarkashi or Gangotri. After 2 kilometers from the start is the Gangotri National Park, where you have to show your permits. They may charge you extra for your cameras and drones. Not more than 150 travelers are allowed per day, and if your age is above 60, then it is mandatory to take a medical test in Gangotri. The journey till Bhojbasha takes about 5 to 7 hours depending upon your skills, so it is better to start your journey early in the morning. I woke up late that morning and started our journey around 10, so don't make the mistakes we did. And second, we took unnecessary extra clothing, making our luggages heavy. Also, there are ways to ease up your journey, like hiring a porter to carry your luggages, or you can take a horse ride till Bhojbasha. The road terrain is not the worst, but once you cross Chirbasha, it gets a little tough. People with acrophobia may find it difficult at some places. After 6 kilometers, you reach Chirbasha, the only place between Gangotri and Bhojbasha where you find shops. Bread, toast, Maggi are just the food available. Do enjoy yourself with a cup of hot tea or coffee. From here, Bhojbasha is 5 kilometers ahead, a place where lodging facilities is available. Lal Baba Ashram is ideal for people who are on a short budget. Others can opt for GNBN Hotel. Now listen very carefully. There are two types of pass to visit Gomukh. Up till Bhojbasha, the route for the both is same. One with the Gomukh permit will get permission to walk on the left bank of the river, and he won't be able to see Gomukh up close. People say the river has changed its course, and due to global warming, the glacier has moved backward. So you need to take the alternate route, the way on the other bank of the stream, and for that Tapovan permit with a guide is compulsory, so keep this in mind before generating your permit. We spent that night in GNBN hotel dorms. Dining facility is available and only veg food is served. Prices are very high as the porters carry up the raw materials from Gangotri. From Bhojbasha, Gomukh is 4 kilometers ahead. We took the Tapovan Pass and hence crossed the river to the other side. Finally, we are at the destination. There is a saying, the best view comes after the hardest climb. If you have any queries related to the journey, do let me know in the comment section, and also I have written a more detailed journey experience in the description. Check it out if you want. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.